This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has said that the UAE's cultural heritage is key to its prosperity. His Highness also said that the country's cultural heritage is an important factor in achieving its unique ambitions and can inspire innovative and creative approaches in order to ensure the happiness of its people. He stressed the importance of preserving the UAE's cultural heritage and helping the new generation deepen their understanding of the country's past. His Highness also called on the youth to maintain a strong connection with the country's culture and traditions, which will help strengthen national unity and also inspire them to lead the nation to greater heights. His Highness also highlighted the role of education in ensuring that the new generation has a strong connection to their history and origins. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed's remarks came during a gathering organised by Dubai Press Club titled Sarug Al Hadid as a part of the Ramadan Majlis held in Qasr Al Bahar. Under the Reading Nation campaign launched by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Foundation, which is a member of the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Global Initiatives, in cooperation with the UAE Red Crescent Authority, will distribute 100,000 books in public libraries in the Republic of Yemen, as well as in refugee camps in a number of Arab countries. The initiative aims to consolidate the role of the MBRF in the adoption of projects and initiatives that contribute to the promotion, transfer and production of knowledge in the Arab region and the world. Jamal bin Huareb, the managing director of the MBRF, made the announcement and said that as a part of the foundation's efforts to establish knowledge-based societies and in line with its humanitarian role, the foundation will begin the first phase of the campaign in the Republic of Yemen. He said that the initiative will enhance the status of the UAE on the international map as a centre for culture and knowledge, and also highlight its effective role in the Republic of Yemen at various levels. He said that a large number of books in refugee camps in a number of Arab countries to help spread knowledge among the residents and support them in building their future is a necessity. He praised the UAE leaders for their continuous support to promote science and knowledge. Ramadan should last 30 days this year, and it's been forecast to end on July the 6th. That's according to a leading astronomer. Dr. Ibrahim Al-Jawan, the Assistant Director for the Sharjah Centre for Astronomy and Space Sciences, who's also a researcher in astronomy and meteorology, was quoted in a local daily stating that the crescent of Shawwal will emerge on Monday, Ramadan 29, corresponding to July the 4th at 3:13 p.m. UAE time, and it will set 7 minutes before sunset, so it will not be visible during the night. He added, therefore, Tuesday, July the 5th will mark the final day of Ramadan, and Wednesday, July the 6th will mark the first day of Eid Al Fitr. The Telecommunications Regulatory Authority has launched Erteqa, a new initiative which aims to increase the level of customer services across the UAE's telecom sector. The initiative was inaugurated during a press conference today to enhance telecommunications customer service centres based on quality standards set by the TRA and the telecoms provider to ensure the happiness and satisfaction of Etisalat and Du customers. The project falls under a wider initiative under the title of ESAD, which was launched by the federal entity. Erteqa will adopt 6 major standards for the evaluation of customer service centres and a number of minor criteria, including rating the ease and smoothness of service delivery and the customer experience with employees in terms of professionalism, efficiency and interaction. The rating standards will also assess the service centre facilities, prominent display of products and services, as well as their innovativeness. The initiative will be implemented in 2 phases. The first is the trial stage, where Etisalat and the licensed customer service centres will work together to align with the new standards, while the second will be the actual evaluation of the centres and how they apply the standards to ensure quality services.
This initiative is called Erteqa, sponsored by Sheikh Mansour. The main objective of this initiative is to evaluate all the service centers of Du and Etisalat. Our main goal is to look to the staff, welcoming staff, knowledge of the staff, also the innovation in that center, time consumption in order to finish your request, and also if there is any additional things related to cultures also. So the main objective of this initiative is to have happiness in all customers and improve the services which is available in all Du and Etisalat centers.
This initiative consists of an evaluation of the retail contact centers providing service to customers within telecom. This initiative is taken by the Telecom Regulatory Authority in the UAE, in collaboration with the 2 licensed operators existing in the country. It consists of evaluating through a grid of very precise criteria that has been elaborated together with the companies as relevant for the happiness of customers. And first, an initial assessment will be done. The results will be given to each operator for its corresponding retail contact centers, and then work will happen to improve this or to close any gap as much as possible. Another re-evaluation will be done, and then a kind of mark will be given, a kind of a grade will be given for each retail store and will be published at the entrance of these retail stores.
The Sharjah Road and Transport Authority has announced that a new bus route, 313, will connect the Rolla bus station in Sharjah with Dubai International Airport Terminal 2. Khaled Al-Khayal, the manager of the Intercity Transport Department at the RTA Sharjah, said that the new route passing through Nada Road has 7 stops, starting with the Jubail bus station, and comes in response to a number of surveys and field studies. Al-Khayal added that launching more routes, adding more buses and increasing trips have helped decrease the frequency period and long queues in a significant way, and that they continue to encourage the public to use public transport. A single trip on the new bus route, available from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. from the Jubail bus station in Sharjah to the Dubai International Airport Terminal 2, costs just 15 dirhams, whereas intermediate trips stand at just 10 dirhams. Diabetes rates in the Middle East have reached a record high, and the highest level in the world, with around 43 million cases. That's almost 14% of the region's adults. According to the World Health Organization, type 2 diabetes rates have risen due to obesity, a lack of physical activity and unhealthy diets. And the rates are also increasing in children. Experts also warn that the chronic disease could result in heart attacks, strokes, kidney failure, lower limb amputations or eye diseases that could cause blindness. It was warned that diabetic retinopathy, eye disease, is more likely to occur the longer the patient has had diabetes, as during the first 2 decades of the disease, nearly all patients with type 1 diabetes and up to 60% of patients with type 2 have diabetic retinopathy. It was added that a diet and exercise, even just a simple walk, can help reduce the rise of complications. And finally, looking to other news now, Dubai was smurfed on Wednesday night with the official arrival of 4 blue characters, Papa, Smurfette, Brainy and Vanity, who landed at their new future mushroom-capped home in Motiongate, Dubai. The action-packed Hollywood-inspired theme park, part of the wider Dubai Parks and Resorts, welcomed the Smurfs on Global Smurf Day at an iftar, with a sneak peek of Smurfs Village, which is one of the 5 themed zones at Motiongate, Dubai. Set to open this October, the Smurfs Village Zone will be the largest Smurfs-inspired theme park in the world. Parents and kids can enjoy walking alongside larger-than-life mushroom-capped houses and lush forested surroundings, while also exploring rides, live shows, play areas, dining and much more. In total, there are 5 family-friendly rides and attractions, including the Smurfs Studio Tour, which is an interactive ride and takes guests behind the scenes of the Smurfs movie set. There's also the Smurfs Village Playhouse, a one-of-a-kind theatre show where kids can interact with an animated Smurf. There's also the Smurfberry Factory, which is a soft play area, a woodland play park, and the Smurf Village Express, which is the perfect first-time roller coaster for young ones.
Well, today we are here because we are celebrating, first of all, the official arrival in town of our blue friends. In the Smurfs Village we are offering 5 different rides, and that vary a lot. There will be a small roller coaster that will be the first roller coaster, I'm sure, for a lot of kids, because it's very nice and very smooth and absolutely thought and conceived for kids. And there are other attractions. There is and also a possibility in one attraction to have an interactive activity with the Smurfs, so kids will be interacting with them in a virtual way. I don't want to reveal a bit more about this, but this is one of the attractions I like the most because of this interactivity between kids and a cartoon. The park is divided into 5 areas, 5 zones: Studio Centrals, Sony Picture Studios, the Smurf Village, DreamWorks, and Lionsgate.
As I understand, today is the Motiongate Smurfs Iftar in celebration of Motiongate that's opening in October, so I'm very excited. It looks really nice here. It looks like a lot of fun. There are Smurfs, so very excited for it to be opening in October. I've already got I'm going to get my tickets online, and I'm looking forward to the experience today evening.